Hey guys, and welcome back to No Coffee Needed. I'm Chad, right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and I'm so glad that you're tuning in today. If you would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell so you don't miss out on anything we got coming to you from right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And if you would, go ahead and give us a quick thumbs up, make some comments down below. Let us know where you are tuning in from, guys. We appreciate it. If there's something you'd like for us to cook, make a comment down below. We'll give it a try. If you try one of our recipes, you do something a little bit different, let us know how it turns out. We want to know and we want to hear from you, without a doubt. But guys, what I have heard over the last couple of weeks is how are you keeping your Blackstone so clean and so dark and pretty? So what I want to do today is we're just going to go over a quick video of how to keep it clean and what I do to protect my Blackstone griddle top, okay? So let's get started. It's real simple. I use 2 ingredients, water and Crisco, an all vegetable shortening. That's how I do it. And as we go through this, I'll explain what I do and why I do it the way I do. So to get started, you can see I just got through cooking. I just take my scraper, chopper, whatever it is here. Go around, I got everything set on low. I've let it run for a little bit so that it's nice and warm. Just get it scraped up real nice. Just like so. Then I take a paper towel. And I use some real nice paper towels. I don't use the cheap ones. I do use some nice ones. I get all this excess oil, all this excess stuff I got on here. And get that cleaned off. Then I take some water. Use a good hit. Now just take more paper towels. You can tell because I'm rubbing it like this that it's not on high. I do have it on low, but it is, that steam will get to you. Anyway, I just take it and clean it up just like this to get all that gook off there. Then I go over it one more time with some more paper towels. Just like so, and you can tell that it's starting to get clean. There's nothing dark coming off of it. You can tell that's pretty good right there. That's it. All right, now we're gonna let this just stay heated, let it dry out for just a little bit longer. While that's drying out, we take our Crisco, pop the top, set our Crisco down. All right, guys, this is good and dry. I promise you, there's no water, no moisture right here on the top. And since it's already hot, we're gonna cut this off. Because the only thing you really need is you just want this nice and warm. And we're going to take a big spoon. I'm going to plop it down and let this begin to melt. And yeah, I put a good bit on here. I'm just going to take it and rub it all over. Just like so, and you can see it just melts really well. You got to remember to hit all sides. hit your top, and then I hit the outside also. Now this has been running a little while, so everything on this griddle top is nice and hot. It's heated all the way through, I promise. So, there we go. I put a good bit down, just like you can see. Then I come back with another set of paper towels and I just lightly wipe it. And guys, what I can tell you is when you come back, you give this about, on a nice cool day, you can come back in about 20-30 minutes after this is cooled down and it'll have this white film over it. It'll look just like that, not quite as white, but you'll see a white film over the top of this whole thing. And in my opinion, that helps protect this griddle top better than just putting down regular oil. It puts that film over to the top. When you crank it up, it heats it back up. You can take another paper towel, wipe it all down, then start using your oil immediately. This is good and clean. I promise you, that's what I do. That's all I do. It's real simple, real easy to do. It keeps it well protected, keeps it nice and black. It looks really good, especially it'll have that little white film on it. You crank it up when you're getting ready to cook and it'll start to melt all that shortening down. And then that's when you know that it's ready, when the whole top, all that shortening is melted over the whole top of it and it's the way you want it. Take it, wipe a little bit of that excess off, you're ready to cook. Guys, that's all it takes right there to keep your griddle clean and looking nice and for years and years of service. Guys, anyway, that's it. Until next time, now you're cooking. No coffee needed style.